Homestead Fresh. We're going to try to get ourselves a chicken shack built today. Um, right back behind us. Going to try to put it like semi on skids so we can kind of move it around because this won't be the permanent spot for it. But, you know, so hopefully you follow along today and we'll see how much we can get done because pretty sure it's not going to get finished today. So, so let's get started with it.
So I think what he's decided is it's going to be 4 foot wide by how big?
12 foot long.
By 12 foot long. And we're actually going to separate it into a couple of pieces or separate sections. So we're going to have the chicken shack part for our adult chickens. The back side we're actually going to make as our permanent brooder that can, of course, move with the chicken shack. If you have any questions, comments about anything we're doing or have any ideas for improvements we can do to it once we're done, feel free to leave those in the comments below. The what Jeff said about this not getting done in one day, he's absolutely correct. This is probably going to be 2, maybe a 3-part project, but we'll see how quick we can get this done.
Well, and definitely first rule of thumb, make sure your knife is sharp when you're trying to sharpen a pencil. Oh. Well, looks like I got a helper. How you doing there, Katie? Doing all right? Yes. Alright, so I'm putting roughly a 24-degree angle coming off of this.
Why?
So that if we do decide to move it, the dirt, hopefully it should, if anything is going to hit on it as you're pulling this, it should hopefully curve up, so that way this won't dig straight into the ground. You'll have all of this to where if it hits something, it can hopefully rise up over it.
The skid to move it.
This is
the bottom.
The bottom skid part. Alrighty. So as you saw, I took two 2x4s together, nailed them together like that, so that we can have.
You said 2x4s?
I mean 2x12s. So we can have a better. It'd be sturdier. One, if you just put a single down, that thing would have a tendency of twisting, and if you tried to pull it, it'd probably just fall over. But when you double them up like this, it gives it a lot sturdiness. And then we're thinking that angle should be pretty good to where if we dragged it, that it should just go right over anything, is what my hope is. Well, now I might start making the bottom frame for the flooring, but of course my wife took off the pencil. Ah, look, there it is.
It's always my fault.
So, like I was saying, I'm going to make this 4 foot wide, but I'm planning on putting my other two 2x4s, of course, on the outside, the 12 footers. These are all the inside pieces, and of course, you got to make sure that you remember to knock off the measurement for the thickness of your other two 2x4s.
Hi everybody, so we had a little rain shower and we had to kind of cut video for a minute, but that gave us the opportunity to run to town so Jeff could get his Craig jig because we needed it 100 times and we haven't had it. So the rain stopped. I don't know where it came from. It wasn't supposed to rain, so it's over and we're going to get back to work.
Makes a nice little hole. They also make the little small pocket size, they call it, I think. Flooring, but on all your plywood and stuff, always remember you've got one side that's a little smoother and nicer, and then you've got one side that's normally got, it's rougher, and will have a lot more knots and things. Of course, sometimes both sides look pretty bad, but this will be our bad side here.
Okay, so we don't want to have this go on for, hours and hours of you watching us do this build. So we're going to wrap up part 1, and this is what I married. So we're going to wrap up part 1. We're going to continue to work, and I'm glad. And you'll get to see that in our part 2, and we may finish by part 2. It may take 3 sessions to get this done. Today is the day before Father's Day, so by the time this airs, it's actually going to be Tuesday. So we just want to give an homage to all the fathers out there. Jeff and I have both been blessed with amazing fathers that know a lot about tools and woodworking and construction, and so I know my dad taught me a ton of stuff that I use to this day. So don't ever stop teaching your kids. Whether you think they're listening or not, they are.
That's true. I see every once in a while, even with my own kids, you tell them something, you think it's going out one ear, but it does seem like, every once in a while you'll catch them doing something and you're like, aha, I can see it now. But,
right.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do the things I can do now if not my dad. So he showed me a lot of things, taught me a lot of things about just building and tinkering. What is it? Jack of all trades, master of none type thing. So a little bit of everything, which is great, so that I can be able to do this and do everything out here that I do.
So from our family to yours, happy belated Father's Day to all the dads out there. If you like our videos and you want to see more as we progress on the land and the builds and everything that we have going on here, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you never miss a video. Please subscribe and share our videos. It would really help us out, and we will see you next time. You have a great night.
Have a good one now. Later.